Self-contained guest quarters, perfect pandemic refuge, 2 kitchens, 2 living areas, 3 AC zones, expanded laundry room, extensive built-in storage, looks like a remodel. Unique reconfigured floor plan. Artfully improved and reconfigured unique floor plan. Leading edge design. Bright spacious light-filled rooms. 400 square feet. Extra wall space. Huge master closet, all closets are custom outfitted. Plentiful storage, numerous built-ins, many appealing design features throughout. High-end feature lighting with lighting zones, dimmers, sophisticated programmable controls. Electric, remote, Hunter Douglas window treatments throughout. Pocket doors in key areas. Twinkling and #X2018, night sky and #X2019, ceiling feature in foyer. Surround sound audio in Grand Salon, kitchen, dining room and amp, Lanai. All around hurricane shutters. Breathtaking Estero Bay, Gulf and sunset water views. The stunning and timeless design elements of this gorgeous sky home perfectly complement architectural form as well as luxurious function and #X2026, you really must see this impressive one-of-a-kind sky home residence to fully appreciate it. Schedule a personal live video walkthrough of this property with Andrew Fentiman. See attachments.